Good day, my name is Timothy Adekunle. I'm here to start from where I stopped in my first video, where I discussed type of random variable, characteristics of random, probability, density function, and so on like that with some proving. In this video, I'm here to present some questions and answer on how to calculate mean, variance, standard deviation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Example 1. Find the mean, variance, standard deviation of the random variable while having the distribution below. The solution to this example is displayed.